Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 30th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is Halloween. Sophie's Halloween Disguise by Rosemary Wells. Granny sewed Sophie's baby sister Jane a carrot costume for Halloween. "I want to be scary," said Sophie. "I want to be a woolly mammoth." Granny made the woolly mammoth costume. It was very scary. Halloween night, Sophie, Daddy, and Jane went out trick-or-treating. Up came a huge black widow spider. Inside the spider suit was Sophie's friend Grover. Sophie said, "Grover, let's fool Granny. You be the mammoth, I'll be the spider." So Sophie and Grover traded costumes. "Granny won't know who we are," said Sophie. "She'll think you are me and I am you," said Grover. Knock, knock, they went on Granny's door. "Trick or treat," they sang. The door creaked open, but it wasn't Granny on the other side. It was a giant squid. "Where is Granny?" asked Sophie and Grover. Granny took off her squid head. "Trick or treat," said Granny. Luckily, the giant squid had lots of candy corn to go around and a spoonful of ice cream for the baby carrot. The end. We're going to make a trick-or-treat bag, and your craft-to-go kit has everything you need in it. It's an orange bag with some stickers. And all you're going to do to make your trick-or-treat bag is peel and stick your stickers to the bag. Just like that. You can put as few or as many stickers as you want on it. You can do both sides. If you have ones left over, you can decorate other things. Oops, that one bent a little. Oh well. But there are 3 different kinds of stickers. We've got these holographic pumpkins and bats right here. We've got these little puppies and kitties right here. And then we've got this little skeleton and his friends, the pumpkins, right here. So go ahead and decorate it any way you'd like and take it trick-or-treating. I ended up using most of my stickers. I still have a few left on the holographic ones. But this is what my bag looks like. This is one side and the other. And I can take that trick-or-treating.